Welcome everyone, today I like to show you how to edit and customize the Archicad toolbox. With customizing I do not mean dragging the toolbox around and docking it to another bar. You can do that with every single palette and every single bar in Archicad. I mean that you are able to change the content and order of the toolbox itself here. Just click with the right mouse button onto an empty space of the toolbox to open the toolbox menu in the work environment. Or just go to Options, Work Environment, Toolbox. On the left side you see all available tools that can be part of the toolbox. On the right side you see the different groups of the toolbox with its content underneath. Simply as it is, you can select a group and add or remove tools using the Add and Remove buttons. You can also add, remove or rename groups using the Tool Group Options button. In this case I rename the groups into 2D, 3D and views. I'm used to have figure and change in the 2D sections because I usually use the German version of Archicad where it is set up this way on default. So I remove these tools from views and add them to 2D. What else can I do? I can change the visibility of the tools names next to the icons in the toolbox. I can do that by using the Tool Group Options, or I can click on the symbol next to the group name here. I can also choose to make one or more groups permanently opened, just like the select group is on default. Last but not least, the current toolbar will be saved automatically as custom toolbar. But you can also select between different fixed default toolbar settings using the Apply Schemes button. Leave a like and leave a comment if you think this was useful and helpful. Until next video, have a great day and of course stay creative.